Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad MUZANI. So today I will be the person in charge to check your eye. So I will be putting this prism onto your spectacles since we don't use phoropter. I will be setting this prism so that if you see the chart, it will be splitting into two. Tell me if you see that double image. Okay, now I want you to tell me when the two chart is parallel upside down. If the chart become parallel upside down, please tell me, okay? Alright, again, I want you to tell me if the chart is sit to each other. If the charts is sitting to each other, please tell me, alright? Okay, now I want you to focus on this bird figure on the stick that I will be holding in. You should see two birds with this setting of prism. Now I want you to tell me when the bird is parallel upside down. Or if the bird become one, also please tell me. Okay. And again, I want you now to tell me when the bird is sitting to each other, okay? Alright. Now I will put this lens onto your spectacles, and again, it will be a bit blurry, but just focus on the bird and tell me when the bird is parallel upside down. If the bird is now parallel, please tell me, okay? Is it not parallel yet? It's now parallel upside down, alright. Okay, now I will put a different lens onto a spectacle, and again, just focus on the stick that I will be holding, the bird figure. And again, I want you to tell me when the bird is become parallel upside down. Is it not parallel upside down yet? Okay, done. In front of you, there is a big card with an arrow there. Now, if I put this prism on your spectacles, you should see double lines and arrow of the card. Can you tell me what the number that the above arrow pointing to? Is it number 2? Okay. Now, I want you to focus on the same arrow. Okay. Can you tell me what number does the arrow pointing? Is it number 2? Alright. For the results of this lab report, we found that patient have orthophoria at distance, and at near patient has 4 base in, which means it is for exophoria. And then we go to the measurement of the ACA ratio. At near, the patient has 4 exophoria, but when we induce -1 lens, patient will get 3 exophoria, and after we induce +1 lens, we get 9 exophoria. So for the gradient ACA ratio, we found that for -1 lens, the value is 1/1, and for the +1 lens, the value is 13/1. For the calculate ACA ratio, we found that it is quite normal, which is 5/1. Next, we go to the vertical phoria. At distance, patient has 6 base down at left eye, and for the near, we found that patient has 9 base down, which means that patient has hyperphoria. And lastly, when using Howell heterophoria card, we found that at distance, the patient has 2 exophoria, and at near, the patient has also 2 exophoria.